lettuce.
Hey, you are selling lettuce.
Yeah,
How much?
I'm selling 1.
You are not selling the box.
No, 1. 1. I'm selling 20 rand.
20 rand one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Actually, where are you from?
Malawi.
Malawi.
Yeah.
Why you are not selling it there by your country?
Why you want me to sell in my country?
Because of it's there where you must work. You belong into your country. Why you don't
What
you
is
stay
the
there?
problem if I sell here in South Africa?
No, you must go home to your country. You must do this business in your country.
In Malawi, they don't eat lettuce. There's no business there. There's no market.
Oh. But at the end you will be arrested
For what?
because you don't even have a passport.
Passport. I need passport to sell lettuce.
You must have a passport.
You South African people have a problem. One